Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into a true classic, the 1966 Oldsmobile Starfire. An American luxury car with muscle under the hood, elegance in every curve, and a story that represents the golden era of 1960s automotive design. Stay with us as we explore its history, design, interior comfort, performance, and lasting legacy. The Oldsmobile Starfire was introduced as a premium personal luxury vehicle, created to compete with high-end models from Cadillac and Buick. Its roots trace back to the 1950s Super 88, but over the years the Starfire evolved into a more refined and exclusive offering. By 1966, it had become one of Oldsmobile's flagship models, aimed at buyers who wanted power, comfort, and prestige in one package. The name Starfire symbolized speed, glamour, and futuristic appeal, fitting perfectly with the optimism of the 1960s. Exterior. The exterior of the 1966 Oldsmobile Starfire is bold yet elegant. It features a long, sculpted hood, smooth body lines, and a fastback-style profile that gives the car a commanding road presence. The front end is defined by a wide grille and distinctive headlights, while the rear showcases sweeping quarter panels and tasteful chrome accents. Available as both a coupe and a convertible, the Starfire offered open-air cruising for those who wanted an even more luxurious driving experience. Its design balanced sporty character with upscale refinement, making it stand out among other large American cars of its time. Interior. Inside the Starfire, luxury was clearly a priority. The cabin offered spacious seating with plush upholstery, designed for comfort on long drives. The dashboard layout was clean and driver-focused, featuring easy-to-read gauges and elegant trim. Optional features included power windows, power seats, air conditioning, and advanced audio systems for the era, such as an AM/FM radio and even an 8-track player. The interior atmosphere reflected 1960s sophistication, blending comfort with subtle performance cues. Under the hood, the 1966 Oldsmobile Starfire delivered impressive performance for a luxury car. It came equipped with a powerful 425 cubic inch V8 engine producing around 370 horsepower. This engine provided smooth acceleration and strong torque, making highway cruising effortless. Paired with a smooth automatic transmission, the Starfire emphasized comfort and reliability over aggressive sportiness. While it wasn't built to be a track car, it offered confident handling and a stable ride, perfectly suited for long-distance touring. The 1966 Oldsmobile Starfire remains an important chapter in American automotive history. It represented a time when manufacturers focused on blending luxury, performance, and style into a single vehicle. Today, it's appreciated by collectors and classic car enthusiasts for its elegant design, powerful V8 engine, and refined driving experience. The Starfire may not have been the loudest muscle car of its era, but it was undoubtedly one of the most stylish and comfortable, making it a true icon of 1960s American motoring. If you enjoyed this classic car story, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more vintage car content, and comment below with the next classic you'd like to see featured.